Okay, guys, this is lesson 2, and today we're going to be reading the book See the Cactus. In this book, we will come across these power words. So let's practice these power words. We'll do it just like we did yesterday or the day before. Let's get back up here. The day before, we read the first column. Today, we're going to focus on the second column. So here we go. Do, down, for, get, go, had, has, have, he, here, I, in. Now you try it. Down, for, get, go, had, has, have, he, here, I, in. Good job. Okay, in our story today, See the Cactus, these will be the power words that we focus on the most. So let's repeat them with Miss Esser. Be, go, come, in, is, will, see, to, like, has, at, and the. Okay, at the end of our cactus story, you should be able to label each of these things. So here are our words. Miss Esser is not going to say those, but we're going to, at the end of this, we should be able to label each of those sections. So let's get started on our book. So our title is called See the Cactus. So we're going to do the same thing today, where I read the story and then you will read the story by yourself. See the cactus. See the cactus. See the cactus at night. See the flowers. At night, the cactus has flowers. See the juice. The juice is in the flowers. See the bat. At night, the bats come out. The bats like the juice. The bats go flower to flower. The bats like the juice. The bats go flower to flower. See the fruit? See the seeds in the fruit? See the fox? The fox eats the fruit. The fox poops. The seed is in the poop. The seed will be a cactus. See the cactus grow. And then here it tells us where cactuses are located. So this is the United States. And we can see right here, this is where most of our cactuses are growing. And then these are the words that we saw in our story. Cactus, fox, bat, poop. And then these were our power words. Has, is, like, see, go, a, to, the, come, will, at, be, to. Now you're going to go back to the story and read it by yourself. So start with reading the title. Awesome job, scholars. All right, head on over to the Nearpod, and we are going to see if we can complete the matching game.